My name is Captain Abhishek Ray. I am associated with Krishi Consultants and Krishi Air for the past 2 years. We are mainly into weather modification, which includes a lot of cloud seeding, because we suppose that that's one of the way where you can help the farmers of our country and a lot of other people, because water is the prime need of today. Tomorrow we can live without oil, but we won't be able to live without water. So we have taken a couple of steps forward to try and solve this problem as far as we can. Moreover, we are also venturing into the field of adventure sports, which we should be starting doing it in another few months or so. From then on, let's see how it goes, and we'll be able to grow and make the country grow with us. We are not into manufacturing. Actually, we are not into manufacturing. We are service providers. So we provide like a cloud seeding. It's a project. Okay, so where you have hardware, software, and scientists. So you basically take an aircraft which is modified for a certain purpose. You go to the cloud and do your research work, do a spraying there. So what it does, it helps in increasing precipitation. So that's how we can help our farmer friends and a lot of other people, solving a major problem of water, I should say. As of now, we are operating only in India, but we are looking for opportunities. We have approached a few people in other countries, which I wouldn't name now, but let's see how it goes. India Aviation 2012 is a very important stage for us, because as of now we are the only company in India who is into weather modification, so we get a lot of opportunity to introduce ourselves to a great group of companies whom we could help, or who could help us in our objectives. See, as of now our main focus is India, because we want to solve our problem first before getting into anybody else's. As of now, there are a couple of international collaborations which we have. Our partners providing us some technical know-how. So in future we plan to have our own maintenance organization also, where we will be training young technicians to become aircraft maintenance engineers, or have a set scientific team or a meteorological team, dedicated teams for whatever purpose we need. See, initiating, we actually I'll tell you, the government of India comes out with weather modification tenders. So we apply for the tender and get our projects. We do take a lot of technical know-how from them. So they support us. In technically provision of hardware, software, where we don't have in India. In that ways.